HP Spectre Folio, a convertible laptop with leather housing and configurable to be used as a folio with pencil, laptop, multimedia and tablet. It has a 13.3-inch screen and the latest in portable processing thanks to the Intel Core i5 or i7 8th generation chips. It is possible to incorporate up to 16 GB of memory and up to 2 TB of SSD storage. For users who need extreme connectivity, there is a 4G LTE version. The HP EliteBook 1030x360 G3, also 13.3-inch convertible and, according to the company, the smallest in the world for business since it is implemented in a 12-inch chassis. Its weight 1.25 kg and thickness less than 16 mm. HP keeps intact its commitment to desktop computers. This is the case of the HP All-in-One NV34 models for both the home and office and HP EliteOne 1000 IOG2 with 34-inch curved screen. Both can fit into any table and bring designs never seen in this segment. The HP Elite X2 1013 G3 notebooks are a 13-inch 2-inch-1 notebook, the first to feature NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 and HP NV1 graphics.